Today, I'm going to show you how you can use KV Core to create a CMA presentation within just a few minutes. When you're looking at your KV Core dashboard, you'll want to navigate over to the Marketing tab and click on Core Present. This is going to open up a new tab for you and bring you into the Core Present tool. Now you can do a lot of different things with this, and I do want to mention you can customize some of your logos and colors and stuff in the customization settings here. And there's multiple different presentation types that you can do, but today we're going to focus on the when the listing presentation that is created for sellers. So you'll start with their address. Now I'm going to use my childhood home address for this example, maybe. All right, click next. It's going to pull in information from public records, so just glance at it, make sure everything looks good. And then you can skip to presentation and let the computer find comps for you, but I would suggest going in and choosing and making sure all the comps looks good. So all of these red little location icons are all of the comps that showed up as a match. You can remove them if you would like. You can also click on these that are maybe a little bit similar, but not 100% right there with it. You can always add them to add more info. And you can, of course, expand your search by using these filters over here. You can manually enter other MLS IDs to add them. And then once you have all of your criteria, all of your comps that you would like, you can again either skip to presentation, or you can add even more details by clicking on Build CMA. That's what I'm going to do. So in here, this kind of gives you a overhead view of your presentation. So here we see we have 6 total comps, and all of them are from closed listings. We can, of course, go back and edit our search criteria. Down here, we see our comps showing. We can actually click on these to bring up more to add in that didn't fall under all the criteria, but we can, of course, add them in. Gives you the average of your closed comps. And then down here, it'll show you more elements that are going to be a part of your presentation. Your presentation can be used digitally, or you can print it out. If you use it digitally, you also have the opportunity to email or text this to your client to view virtually. And they can also click on all of these elements and view even more detailed information. This is just giving you an overhead view of it. So once you have all of your comps ready and set, you can create the presentation or simply save your CMA in a one-page summary. So we'll go and create the presentation. And this puts together a bunch of different slides. As you can see, there are different sections here on the left, starting with introduction, section why I'm the right fit, what's my homework, and it just goes on catering to this seller presentation. So you can click through, you can edit these elements, look through all of this. Now you'll notice up here at the top where it says preview, this is created for a web presentation. So maybe you're showing this on a tablet, on your laptop, but if you do want to print this out, you'll want to be on your PDF view. So this will be built to print on individual pages rather than having clickable elements on the web version. So just note your web versus PDF there, and then edit from there. Once you have everything ready, I'm going to switch back over to web here. You can just click through. You can always add slides as well. They have lots of different just templates that you can add in here, showcasing more of what you offer. All right, and then once you have it ready, you can present and share. So you can have a lot of different options here actually. You can add the listing agreement link, you can add a net sheet, you can add a video of yourself. You can email the presentation, you can send a link to where you could just text that to your clients, they open it up on their phone. And again, if you want to print it out, of course, whoops, go back in here, you grab your PDF, and then it turns it into a printable presentation for you with all of your information and everything so nicely set up with very minimal effort. So there's a lot that you can do with this feature. This is a very basic overview of it. If you are interested in learning more about Core Present, click the link in the description of this video to bring you to a more extensive overview and tutorial of this program. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned for more trainings.